Wow, you eat it by yourself, the yogurt?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
Smile. Okay. Smile again. Okay, open your eyes. Can you open your eyes when you smile? Very good. Okay, that's kind of scary, Mia. Alright, keep eating your yogurt. Eat your yogurt. Good job. What's your name?
Mia.
Your name is Mia?
Yes.
And how old are you?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Say, Daddy, where are you?
In garden.
What?
Look.
Yeah. Can you say that? Daddy, where are you? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say love you.
I am.
Say I'm eating my yogurt.
Eager.
Eating yogurt, yeah. You do a good job eating that. Wow, you're a big girl now, huh? Are you a big girl?
Yes.
You are? Good job. Okay, say bye, Mia.
Bye.
Bye-bye.